Hi, I chose ABCya as my first artifact. It is an educational gaming website for kids. The games are organized by grade level and game subject type. Most of the games on here are educational online games that students can play. There is no age limit on the users of the website, and no registration is necessary for use. No personal information will be asked of the students, so it makes it a safe place for students to play games. There is an ad-free option available for purchase in the form of a monthly subscription. And anything that you create on here, you're asked to leave the ABCya logo on it, and it cannot be sold. In the lesson plan that I created, students will be using the crossword puzzle creator to design a crossword puzzle for a classmate. And to get to the crossword puzzle maker, you click on grade 5, and it is located in the 5th grade word games. Right here, the crossword puzzle creator. So students will be asked to open up the creator, and the first thing it'll ask you to do is create a name for your puzzle. And in my lesson plan, the students will be coming up with words and clues pertaining to the solar system unit that we are discussing in science class. So we can call this like solar system. And the crossword puzzles are really easy to create. The next step will ask you if you want to either type in the words and clues or copy and paste. And I would have my students select that they are going to type in their questions. And here they will create a minimum of 10 words and clues in here. So it'll ask you your word. Like our first word will be Jupiter. And the clue will say largest planet. And then you can go through and come up with all your words and clues. And let me see, I'm going to pause this while I continue to type in all 10 questions. Okay, now here I have all 10 questions typed in, so I can click Done, and up here click Next. Here you can review the clues and the words that you created, make sure they're all correct, and again click Next. Then you have the option to either play the game online or print it out, which I would have the students print because they're going to exchange with a classmate. And hit Next. It'll show you what the puzzle is going to look like. And then they'll just go down here and print it out. The way the students will be assessed on creating their crossword puzzle will be by looking at the content of the clues and the words that they used in the crossword puzzle. Each word and clue that they come up with will be worth 2 points for a total of a 20-point assignment. To determine whether or not this artifact worked well for my students, I will look at the content of the clues that the students come up with. My overall goal is to help students remember factual information about the solar system by having them kind of take over control and come up with the clues themselves. And my plan would be to have the students complete each other's crossword puzzles. So if they are able to complete a classmate's puzzle without a struggle, I'll know that creating a puzzle was an effective way for the students to review the information. I'll also look at the amount of time it took for the students to be able to come up and complete their crossword puzzle and determine whether or not it was a good use of class time. So that is how I would use ABCya.